How to unarchive chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unarchive chats on WhatsApp step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app on the main chat screen, simply tap on archived, and here inside this, simply find the chat that you want to unarchive, and there you can simply press and hold the chat. And once you've done that, on the top right side you can see the unarchive icon, which is a box with an arrow. So simply tap on it, and after that the chat will now move back to your main chat list. And that's it. That's how you can unarchive chats on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.